Hello, I am Bryant Balit ng Amla, 38 years old. I was born and raised in the province of Kalinga. I have 3 years and 7 months work experience as a local butcher in Kalinga. I am trained for the following duties and responsibilities, particularly maintaining orderliness of the workplace, disinfecting the workplace and the selling areas including equipment tools, prepare and sharpening cutting equipment, cutting and deboning carcass from large to small chops according to customers' demands, maintaining proper storing of meat to achieve meat quality, to enhance my slaughtering and butchering skills, to be equipped both local and foreign job demands. I opted to be trained at MMS Development Training Center, TESDA affiliate in Baguio City for the course of Slaughtering Operation 2. I am looking forward to share my experience and skills in your company. Thank you.